gentlemen, today is a special day. Well, gentlemen, about the same place as here that my tractor is installed, I began something. It started 1 year ago, the same day last year. All right, almost the same weather. It was a little bit more warm, and we have a blue sky. But it was in the morning. Now it's in the afternoon. We're around 4:30. I started 1 year ago making YouTube videos for all of you guys, and I really learned a lot since then. I cannot thank enough all of you, Joe especially, to show me how to edit. I had camera problem, various things. I learned so much for all of you, and all of you guys. I did improve my English writing skills, and also my video editing, and like how to do great videos. So I'm not there yet, trust me. I, I still have a lot to learn, but just to all of you, thank you kindly. And yes, the tractor improved. My my driving skill did need to improve too. But today was yeah, 1 year ago. That's how I start to include myself. Thank you again, all of you, for the nice comment you all did. And today, well, I've got another project with my backhoe. This time, despite of the winter storm we had this morning, we're the 5th of May. It was full of snow this morning, and they're calling for even more snow this weekend. Or around 3 inches, 5 centimeter, and like minus 3 Celsius on Friday, Saturday. But despite of that, I will start to make a garden. So stay along, folks. Cheers. Alright, gentlemen, so that will be the spot for making my garden. It's facing due south. Right now it's 4:30. Yes, it's 4:30, and the sun is towards the west. And during the summer, the sun is like this, so I have a full coverage of sun during all daytime. Perhaps maybe during the 3 o'clock afternoon, the tree there will make some shade, but at least most of the day during from I think from 9 o'clock all the way to 3 o'clock I will have full coverage from the sun. So I will start make that garden, and so stay along. All right, cheers. All right, just to give you an idea where the garden is located, so I've got my house here. So you can see my car, my garage. It's about 100 meters, 100 and almost 200 meters from here. So the garden will, the corner, the upper corner will start there and all the way to there, and it will be all the way to the bucket. So I have to dig around a good 4 feet down at the beginning here. I will make a wall of rocks like this around there. So that will be my garden right now. And so I'm gonna put the camera in good place where you can see the live backhoe action. I try to level out. The camera, by the way, is level right now, so that gives you the angle of the garden, but the garden will be flat, so that's why I have to dig. Alright, so stay along, gentlemen. We'll start that. I use my backhoe just to survey the middle of the garden to know how much rock I will hit, and so far I'm pretty good. So I'm gonna use my front bucket to carry try to dig it more, and you see that? All right, yeah. Alright gentlemen, so my tractor is level, so you can tell then from the bottom to the top I have around 3 feet, and there is just to the ground, so that's telling you the angle of what I have. Alright, for the garden itself, it's roughly 20 feet from there all the way to the end, so that's why I put the tractor like this, to give you an idea how large the garden is gonna be. The width, it's about 15 feet. Okay, so it's gonna be a rectangular garden. Okay, so gentlemen, so that will be it for today. And again, 1 year ago, that's where all these projects with that nice Mahindra eMax HST tractor start, and all the project also with my friend Joe. So Joe, take care of yourself. All right, we're thinking about you, and also all of the great support from all of you guys, gentlemen, ladies, and coucou Melanie. All right, take care guys, cheers.